In addition to creating regular web pages in New York Learns, you can also create subpages. And what subpages are individual pages related to a page that you already have created on your web page. So for instance, if I were to view my website in New York Learns, and if I click on or hover on my section that says classwork, you'll see a little pop-up that pops out and says science. That is a subpage. So if you have some categories that you would like to split up into subcategories, you can create something called subpages. In order to do that, what we're going to do is come down to a page that we have already created, and instead of adding a web page at the very top, which is going to create a main menu web page, we're going to click next to a category where we want our subpage to pop out of. So for instance, we saw before our science web page was a subpage of classwork. If we would like to have another subpage come out of classwork, what we'll do is we'll click on the Add a Web Page next to the existing classwork page. So if I click on Add a Web Page, we'll scroll up and we'll put in a title. So I've already have a science subpage, so we'll call this a math subpage. And then you can put in, again, any information that you want to include. And then again, we can change the text, we can change the size, whatever we want to do. I'm going to make this into a hyperlink. So what I'm going to do is highlight this, and I'm going to click on the link button. And in the link URL, I have already copied the link web address, so I'm going to press Control V to paste it. And then I'm going to ask it to open in a new window. And then I'm going to click Insert. I want to make this page available online, so I'm going to save it. And now you can see I have a new math page, and you can see it's indented underneath the classwork section, meaning that it is a subpage of classwork. I'm going to change it from offline to online. And then if we scroll up and we go back to view our website so that we can see the changes that have been made, we'll now notice when we come over here and hover on classwork, we have two subpages. And if I click on math, you'll see the text that I inserted is there. My link is there as well. So you can create as many subpages as you want for any of the existing pages that you already have in your New York Learns website.